How to make Cancer men fall in love with you. Cancer men are known for being emotional, loyal, and deeply caring. Ruled by the moon, they often come across as gentle yet guarded. Winning their heart takes time, patience, and sincerity. If you're serious about capturing his affection, it's important to understand his personality and emotional needs. Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here's the guide to help you connect with him on a deeper level. 1. Be kind and gentle. Cancer men are sensitive. A soft approach works best. Speak kindly, show respect, and avoid harsh criticism. Your gentle nature will make him feel safe. 2. Show that you care. Little things matter to him. Remember important dates, ask about his day, and do thoughtful things. These gestures show him you truly care. 3. Be family-oriented. He values family and traditions. Talk about your loved ones and show interest in his. If you get along with his family, it will mean a lot to him. 4. Be loyal and honest. Trust is everything to a Cancer man. Be truthful and loyal. Even small lies can make him pull away. Show him he can count on you. 5. Create a comfortable space. He loves comfort and peace. If you spend time at home together, make it cozy. Warm meals, quiet nights, and a calm environment help him feel at ease. 6. Support his dreams. Ask about his goals and support them. He may not always talk about his ambitions, but once he opens up, your encouragement means the world. 7. Share your feelings. Let him know what's in your heart. Cancer men connect through emotions. Being open about your thoughts and feelings helps build closeness. 8. Let him take care of you. He enjoys being helpful. Let him support you when needed. It makes him feel valued. Just don't take advantage of his kindness. 9. Be patient with his moods. His mood can shift without warning. Don't get upset. Give him space when he's quiet and be there when he needs comfort. 10. Make him feel safe. More than anything, he wants emotional security. Be consistent, calm, and reassuring. When he feels secure with you, his love will grow. Winning the heart of a Cancer man isn't about flash or drama, it's about creating emotional trust, showing genuine affection, and building a peaceful life together. With patience and care, you can form a bond that lasts. Do you want to keep your man's eyes on you and only you? Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.